Huge news, Amazon just launched the brand referral program. What this means is if you sell a product on Amazon and you send traffic to it, you send people to that product and they buy it, you could get a 10% bonus. Basically, you could get 10% of whatever the sale is as extra commission by sending traffic from outside sources to your Amazon listing. Now, this is a big deal because normally by selling a product on Amazon, they're charging you 15% of every sale as a referral fee. So basically, if you have a $30 product, they're gonna charge you $4.50 of every sale just to list that product on Amazon. But now with the brand referral bonus program, if you send someone to your Amazon listing and they make the purchase, you're gonna get 10% of that, basically making it so you're only really paying a 5% fee to Amazon to have your product on Amazon's website. And this may just kill Shopify, because one of the big reasons why people sell their products on Shopify instead of on Amazon is to avoid that 15% referral fee. But now using this new program, you're gonna get that referral fee down to just about 5%. And keep in mind, if you're selling products on Shopify, you have to pay 2.9% of every sale in credit card processing fees plus 30 cents per transaction. So if you're selling a $30 product on Shopify, you're gonna pay around 4% in fees, versus on Amazon, if you're using this new program, you're gonna spend about 5% on referral fees. So obviously you're still saving a little bit with Shopify, but here's where things get really interesting. The average conversion rate on a Shopify website is between 1% to 1.4%, depending on if it's mobile or desktop, where the average conversion rate on an Amazon product listing is 10 to 15%. And why this is such big news for Amazon sellers is it used to be that if you wanted to send traffic to your Amazon listing using things like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or different types of social media platforms, it was really hard to track where your sales are coming from, which means it's hard to optimize your ads. But with this new program, it becomes much easier to track all your different Facebook ads campaigns, your Google ads campaigns, different influencers or social media campaigns, meaning you can optimize those and you're gonna get the bonus of way higher conversion rates. Because let's say, for example, you spent $100 on advertising using Facebook ads and you got a rate of $1 per click, meaning you were able to send 100 people to your Shopify website, but you only had a 1% conversion rate, meaning you spent $100 in ads and you only got one sale of your $30 product, meaning you lost money. But if instead you could send that traffic to your Amazon listing, where all of a sudden now you have a 10% conversion rate and you got $300 worth of sales, all of a sudden your Facebook ads are profitable. So this is opening up a huge opportunity for Amazon sellers. First off, it's gonna allow you to track exactly where your external traffic is coming from for your Amazon listing and see, is it profitable or not, allowing you to optimize your ads. Second of all, this is gonna give you a discount on your Amazon referral fee. And yes, you're still gonna be paying a 5% referral fee, even for that external traffic that you drive, but keep in mind, that includes the credit card processing fees, and it gives you the ability to leverage Amazon's platform. And remember, a lot of people already have their credit card in Amazon, they trust Amazon, meaning, as we said, they're more likely to convert. Now, there are some huge downsides with this program and some things you should be aware of. First of all, if you're sending all this traffic to Amazon instead of to your Shopify site, well, that means you're not gonna get the emails from the customers, you're not gonna be able to get any of the remarketing data of these customers, and really, at the end of the day, you're sending traffic to Amazon's website. They're really Amazon's customers. Even though they're buying your product, they're buying it on Amazon, you're not gonna get all the data you would on your own Shopify website. So be aware of this. And the second thing to consider is right now they're giving a 10% bonus by sending that external traffic. But a year from now, they might drop that to 7.5%. 2 years from now, they might drop it to 5%. And who knows, eventually they might completely get rid of this. The scary thing about Amazon is it's that little baby tiger in the corner that we're all giving attention to, that we're all giving love to. As it grows up and gets bigger and stronger, it's gonna get more power and completely dominate the e-commerce space. We're all gonna become reliant on Amazon, which we kind of already are, but this is the scary thing about this program. We're helping Amazon grow instead of trying to grow our own websites, our own businesses. But truthfully, you don't really have any other option, because if your competitors are using this amazing program and you're not, they're going to crush you, because this is going to make it so much easier to make money. But we need to be aware, because we're giving Amazon more and more control of the e-commerce space. So this is both a warning to Amazon sellers as well as a huge opportunity, something that you should absolutely jump on. Start sending external traffic, paid ads traffic to your Amazon listing, because it's going to be very profitable. You're going to get good returns. So if you are selling on Amazon, this is definitely an opportunity you want to take advantage of. But I would also recommend creating your own Shopify website, because as Amazon gets more and more powerful and they have more and more control of the e-commerce space, it's going to be good to have your own sandbox that you can play in, your own website, just in case anything happens with Amazon. And I did a video showing you how to start your own Shopify site in just 4 minutes. I'll link it right here. So go ahead and click on that video. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.